Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with an angry guy who caused an accident, but instead of apologizing, he immediately tried to shift the blame on the camera. Check this one out. If you think that speeding in traffic is the solution for your problems, you better think again, because this guy who was speeding got some instant karma. Check this one out.
California.
Because you look at yourself and you're like, wow. Oh look, police caught someone, instant karma. This is instant.
I mean, did you see him doing anything bad?
Look,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it on.
He's after that Mercedes.
Yeah, he was probably speeding. Yeah, I'll let them go for it.
Oh, this is the wrong place for you to be stopping, man. Stop.
Driver made a turn to the right, and because of his reckless action, he caused an accident. But the worst part about this is that he simply fled the scene as if nothing ever happened. In this video, you will see how a rude driver behaves in traffic. He tried to force his way in front of the camera at all cost, but the camera was having none of that and he didn't allow him. How would you guys react in a situation like this? There is nothing really too much to say about this crazy driving here. Please guys, avoid speeding at all cost, especially through dense traffic, because you can cause an accident easily. Looks like we have a really impatient van driver at our hands here. Luckily for him, there was no police officer there to pull him over, otherwise he would have paid a hefty ticket. In a lot of states, bikers are not allowed to filter through traffic. But in this situation here, the biker did it for his own safety. The only concern of the camera was what would happen if he hit his mirror in the process and flee the scene, but luckily that didn't happen. Road driver totally ignored the stop sign on the road, and he blew right through it, and because of that, it almost came to a T-bone accident, but luckily, the camera was aware enough. Driver made an illegal U-turn at the intersection here as he made a left turn and cut the camera off by taking his right of way. Never behave like this guy. Apparently, road markings mean nothing to this crazy driver. He made a left turn from a center lane, which was a straight-only lane. Never do this, guys, because it can easily cause an accident and a lot of confusion in traffic.
Businessman arrested in October and held for ransom, and EGYFINCHES, a Los Angeles public defender who was taken into...
Careless bus driver didn't care about the camera who was already on the road and who had the right of way, as he simply barged right in front of him and almost caused a head-on collision.
¿Estás bien?
In this video, we have a crazy driver who tried to prevent the biker from lane filtering simply by getting his head out of his window and trying to hit the biker in the process.
On the same team, and oh Jesus! Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
Cops are right there. No, I guess they went straight.
This is why we say that it's never a good idea to act as a police officer in traffic. This Honda Civic driver got cut off by another vehicle and he didn't like it. Instead of minding his own business and moving on, he started road raging. And this is where a real police officer stepped in and pulled him over.
Coyote closing.
Is that a dog? Is that a dog? Possibly a stray dog.
What?
Possibly a stray dog.
Stray. That's
Oh, damn.
What? The coyote?
No, that car. Did you see what happened? You didn't see? There's an actual person inside that car. They went...
And with this amazing video, we conclude another epic episode on Code on DashCam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you really like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would boost our channel really well. Also, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe out there on these crazy roads.